friends, it's the end of October and it's time for me to share with you some of my favorite October thrift store finds. I was sick for a little while in October and I had the kids for fall break and I didn't think I had that much, but once I started putting it out, I had some really cute things I want to share with you. Now the first thing I want to share with you is this 80s beauty right here, this little wooden rolling cart. My husband couldn't believe I bought it. I said, I promise you it's not going to look anything like this when I get done with it. Matter of fact, the one I bought last year, I have on my kitchen table and I'm going to show you. Table right here, and I just have it sitting kind of on the back of the table. But this one I paid $4 for at an antique store, and it was baby blue, and I ended up painting it and distressing it and putting farmer's market on there. And so in the springtime I put Easter eggs, Christmas balls, pumpkins in the fall. You know, it's just so versatile. I can put it outside of my sunroom. These are spotted in thrift stores and antique stores pretty regularly, so keep your eye out. I can't wait to redo this for the Christmas time. And speaking of Christmas time, I got a couple things I want to share with you. I picked up this whole gallon bag. It was $3.99 of these red wooden Christmas garland balls. You know, I had been seriously considered doing my Christmas this year in the woodland theme, buffalo plaid and stuff like that, and because I haven't had any new Christmas stuff in a while, and I thought, oh my gosh, for $4 I have got to get this. So this is probably $50 worth of wooden bead garland. Total score on that. Last year I had a few ladies over here to make some Christmas tags and things, and I just picked up these little group projects. This makes 4 little Santa bells, and this makes a dozen little snowman ornaments. It's just a little kit, just something fun for us to do here at the kitchen table if I have just 2 or 3 ladies over. I picked up these cute little things for the spring. These are just some little mini cupcake holders. There's a lot you can do with these. You can put little moss in there and a couple little baby eggs. You know, they're just cute to decorate with the spring. And I'm always looking for little things like that to put on my bathroom shelves that are seasonal related. Picked this up the other day. These are 2 of little cracker trays. I'm having a get together here in a couple weeks. One of my appetizers does require Ritz crackers, and I just thought this would be perfect. They're plastic, they'll come super clean, and for $1.50 it'll be nice to set that on the snack table. I thought this was pretty neat. I picked this up at a yard sale last weekend. It's just a piece of reclaimed wood. The cotton bowls are so popular nowadays that I just thought that would be pretty in a little spot somewhere in the house. Saw this little pumpkin last week. Matter of fact, I bought this on a Friday. The next day I saw this exact pumpkin at Marshall's for like $6, and I paid $1.99 for it. Love the color. My front room is mostly creams and neutral colors. It'll look great in there. I thought this little box was awfully cute to sit on my bathroom shelves. I paid 99 cents for it. I may roll up some little towels and stick in there, but I just thought it was cute. That does say soap and towels 5 cents. And here are a couple other little seasonal things that I bought for my bathroom shelves. This little wooden watermelon for 99 cents. That'll be cute in the summertime. Matter of fact, I think I had one of these same watermelons back in the 90s when watermelons were popular. And these 2 little wooden flowers in flower pots, the little flowers spin. These were originally like $2 at Walmart, and I got them for 59 cents each. Thought they were so cute to stick on my shelf during the spring. And one of my prize items I found this month was this really big wooden cutting board. You know, if you're into farmhouse decor, that's a really popular staple that people lean up on their counters and even hang on the walls and stuff like that. This is a pretty big one, so you can see by the size of my hand how big it is. I did pay $2.99 for this. This would have been $10 to $20 if I'd have bought this at some kind of antique store. So I thought it was definitely worth $3. You know, you can decorate with them and put a little vignette on them, or you can actually serve off them, like to do a cheese board at a party. But since I got this thrifted, I would definitely put a piece of parchment paper or treat it as if it was non-safe food-wise, because you don't know where this stuff comes from, and I wouldn't want to put cheese or grapes on this not knowing where it came from, because wood can absorb bacteria. And the last thing I want to show you is this little darling Santa top. It's a wooden top, and I'm showing you what it goes on. This is my dog treat jar, and I love to find cute little toppers to go on this. Back in high school, I had a friend, her mother had a business that's what she did, is she painted the lids that went on these jars. And these jars can be bought at Walmart. They're like $4 or $5. It comes with a metal lid. About 20 years ago, it was really popular to collect, the little wooden lids to go on them. This is one I usually keep in the spring. I've got several more I've collected up. This is one for March. And then here's one of my more recent ones, this little flag for the summer. And so anytime I spot one, I usually get them for 99 cents to $1. And when I spot one, it'll say Toll in Tennessee. I know that's my friend's mother's old business. They no longer live in the area. I do think about her when I do see these cookie jar lids. But it's just perfect for dog treats. So there you go, friends. Got a little hodgepodge, but I love the things I got. And I'll be sharing the makeover of that wooden cart here soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.